Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so you can act fast. Check and, if needed, update iOS to the latest supported release so the App Store protocol matches Apple's servers. Sign into your Apple ID under Settings and confirm there are no verification prompts. This prevents authentication failures. Once done, make sure your network is functional by loading a web page in Safari. If pages fail, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to isolate connectivity issues before moving to App Store-specific fixes. You now perform the more complex fixes that resolve cached or account errors. First, close the App Store and relaunch. If that doesn't help, restart the phone to clear temporary system states. Next, reset network settings to remove corrupt Wi-Fi profiles or DNS entries. This restores default networking without erasing data. Then sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, reboot, and sign back in to renew authentication tokens and sync purchase permissions. This often clears download and update blocks. You finish by addressing remaining blockers and preparing a safe recovery path. Try updating or reinstalling the affected app from the App Store. Deleting then reinstalling can clear corrupted app binaries. Inspect screen time or restrictions and any VPN or custom DNS apps because those commonly block App Store traffic. Disable them temporarily and test. If problems persist, back up with iCloud or Finder. Then restore the iPhone to factory and restore the backup. If that still fails, contact Apple support. One key tip: test another Apple ID to confirm account versus device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.